Welcome to DJMT.
My people, I greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJMT. We make una do well to the followers, like, share, and subscribe. On today's news, all of us know say the ex-governor of Kogi State they wanted by EFCC. Some Nigerians reaction be say them talk say EFCC know where this man dey, but they no want go carry am. Many people they vex say EFCC know wetin them they do. Kuti don't come out to talk say EFCC just dey try to oppress this man because of some kind things. I want to play on the video make una hear wetin get to talk concerning EFCC and Yahaya Bello. Watch this video reach the end.
Yahaya Bello now only among the northern governors. I no step down for Tinubu, so that's why they won't hold on for 84 billion. See, he's a victim of oppression. He's a victim. Now let me tell people something. Beneficiaries of oppression cannot become the victims of oppression. Beneficiaries of oppression cannot become the victim of oppression. All that happens is that they get a taste of their own medicine. Take a taste. Very sweet or very bitter. Anyone way it be, taste it. That's not victimization. In the pedagogy of the oppressed, Paulo Ferrer said in one of his notes that revolutionaries, upon taking power, if they use the instruments of state like the police, the army, to go after those that have oppressed the people, that is not oppression. He did not call it justice. He said all we are doing is using the instrument of state to keep the oppressors away from the ability to oppress. Because you have shown yourself to be an oppressor. So the state, if the people come to power, they must use all their means necessary to save you from yourself. Because we know you are a flawed person. That if you get there, you will do it again. You can't, not because this thing, he has changed. No, they don't change. That's not how this works. That's not how this works. If you are part of this system, and number one, you know, resign. Say because you witness oppression is too much, it don't make you resign. You stay there, they chop, they do your whatever. While you are there, you don't come outside to condemn. Say, forget resign, to condemn. You don't do anything within your own space to change how your own space they operate. I'll use my uncle, the great late Professor Kuti, as an example here. This thing caused quarrel between him and my dad, many members of the family, for a long time because Nkoye chose to serve in the military government of Nigeria. As health minister to President Babangida, one of the longest serving ministers in the history of this country was my uncle, Professor Kuti. Nobody could believe that. How dare you? This institution that killed your grandmother, you are going to serve? Are you mad? But even I, after my father had died, I was about 17 or 18. I went to visit Nkoye in Abuja. We going to discuss. Was I even know what am I saying 17? I was older. I they talk to 17, 18. Showing me yini. Until old, you say I was like 22. I didn't go to school. I come back. So I now brought that thing up, like, that I'm grown, not say I be picking, where you say, now you can't put your mouth. So I'm now having a conversation with him. He said, Seun, the primary health care system in Nigeria has saved over 40 or 50 million lives. Has saved over 3 million women that will have died during childbirth. Because he established the primary healthcare centers before my uncle became Minister of Health. When did Babangida take power? Not be 87. Abi 87. There were no hospitals or any medical center anywhere in the rural areas of Nigeria. He said if he didn't do it, nobody would have done it. That he had to serve regardless of his own personal ambiguities, his own personal bias. That thing was necessary for the Nigerian people.
My people, hope una don watch the video finish. Now don't hear wetin he talk. Una agree with wetin he talk so for this matter. Make una do well to drop una comment for comment section, like and share so that people go know wetin dey happen around the world. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ AP.